Thank you so much for watching today. Welcome back. Let's do a how to easy braid tutorial. These are long length and I hope you appreciate it. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Here is the hair that I'm using today. Is 𝐺𝑙𝑎𝑚 Sassy Hair Jumbo Braid Hair. I would recommend this hair if you are a beginner, but if you are not a beginner, I would not recommend this hair. It's good for practicing. You want to take a piece of the hair, wrap it around itself, make 2 loops, put your finger and thumb, put your index finger and your thumb together where the hair gathers, and that's where you're going to start braiding on your natural hair. You're just going to feed the hair into your braid. Put your hair where the hair gathers, pinch it, and start braiding. It's just that easy. You want to feed the hair into the braids. I am not a professional. I am not a hairstylist. I'm self-taught, and I just started learning how to do my own hair, so I apologize if it's not up to your standards, but this is DIY, do-it-yourself, beginner friendly, so I just want to go ahead and put that disclaimer out there. And I hope that this video can help someone. You want to make sure you watch my fingers when I braid. I'm going to do a tiny little cornrow, and then I'm going to take the hair from off the braid that it's laying on, and I'm going to wiggle it to make sure that you can see it. The products that I used for my hair was Jam Gel. I used, I think you pronounce it 𝐸𝑗, O-U-A-I leave-in conditioner, which all products will be linked below, and that's it. I just wash my hair and use those 2 products, and also I love to use a braid sheen when I'm done. I'm going to fast forward this part because this is a plait braid, so that's pretty much self-explanatory. When I'm done braiding my hair, I like to cut the stray hairs without cutting my hair, so your braid should look just like this. We're going to do it again so you can kind of get the hang of it, so be careful not to cut your hair. I left my edges out. I never braid my edges. I advise you to comb your edges out before you start braiding. That way you won't have problems with your edges, so you can take care of them. If you see my fingers, I wrap the hair around in a loop. I pinched where the gathered hair starts, and then I started braiding. This is my last braid. It took 4 hours to braid these braids. It's just that easy. You just have to sit there and commit and watch the video over and over again to see how I flip my hair and flip my fingers around. You just start braiding the plait down, and when your hands get tired or you're ready to start braiding the other way, you just flip your hands and wrist the other way. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So there's the pinch of the 2 fingers. You gather that hair and you just feed it into your own hair. You do like a tiny little cornrow, and this is perfect for vacation hair. It's perfect for cruising hair. Currently we are in a quarantine, so I decided to go ahead and braid my hair. I'm not going anywhere, so I might as well wear braids and go ahead and condition and take care of my hair while we're in quarantine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just comment below. Take your time, have patience trying to braid your hair, and if you want to see any more videos like this, make sure you comment below and let me know. I'm going to show you different styles that I did with my braids. Here I have my hair in a bun. This is one of my favorite hairstyles, even when my hair is not in braids. Like I said, I left my edges out, and I really baby and take care of my edges because my hair is very fine. It's long, but it's fine. Here are my braids about a week later. I went ahead and played with them, washed them, babied them all week, and I just wanted to test them out to see if I like them because this is my first time doing braids. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and I usually braid my own hair, but this is my first time using feed-in faux hair extensions. So I hope you love it. Here's another style of a ponytail, and I really love this style as well. It's very easy, very manageable. Any beginner can do this style. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye everyone.